Welcome to Smart Online Course, empowering professionals through expert-led online learning. Focus courses: risk management, BFSI, insurance, compliance, strategy, ESG, and many more, all in one platform. Visit us, smartonlinecourse.com. Introducing the Strategic Risk Management Online Course, exclusively on Smart Online Course. Learn how to identify, evaluate, and manage risks that directly impact business strategy and long-term growth. Only on smartonlinecourse.com. Why strategic risk management? Strategic risk management bridges the gap between risk and long-term business goals. It enables organizations to anticipate disruptions, adapt to change, and make smarter decisions under uncertainty. By integrating risk into strategy, leaders can drive performance while safeguarding the future. In just 2 hours, you'll discover what is strategic risk and why it matters. Common types of strategic risks: market, regulatory, reputation, tech disruption. Tools to identify and analyze strategic risks. Case studies on how strategic risks made or broke leading companies. Techniques to integrate risk thinking into business decision-making. Why this course? Designed by risk and strategy experts. 100% online, self-paced, and globally relevant. Real-world examples and practical takeaways. Certificate of completion. MCQ questions and answers in all lectures. Who is this course for? This course is perfect for corporate leaders and decision makers, risk managers and compliance professionals, strategy consultants and business advisors, entrepreneurs, investors, and business students. Strategic risk isn't just about avoiding threats. It's about making smarter choices, seizing opportunities, and building resilience. Follow us for more updates and learning content. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and never miss a course. Get the knowledge to lead with clarity and confidence. Enroll now. smartonlinecourse.com.